Quiet. There's no one here. Let me put my phone here. Ayan na guys, kalahati na lang. Ayan na. Kalahati na lang. Ayan na guys. Wait, kita mo ba yan? Kalahati na lang. Kalahati na lang guys. As of 12:45 a.m. You know. It's 1 a.m. Let's check the moon. Okay, the moon is still there. Yeah, it's half moon. You can see it right there. Did you see that? It's 1 a.m. Mag-red na siya. It will be red moon na guys. It's half moon. It's called half moon. Yeah. I'll be back. Moon. Time check. 1:11 a.m. Ay, nakatago na moon. Nako. Nakatago. Nagulap. Nagulap na. Nako. Pero yes, let's go. Yes, why? I'm excited. Yes, mawawala na ang puti na moon. Magbe-red na siya. Yes. Mawawala siya guys, nawala. Natakpan yung clouds po. Yes, excited na ako. Natakpan yung clouds na naman.